Every new project manager thinks the hardest part is planning the tasks. But reality is different. The real danger hides in what you don't see: risks, expectations, emotions, and invisible pressure. That's why many beginner PMs work hard and still lose control. Not because they're weak, but because they never learned what to avoid. This is your warning list: the 10 mistakes that silently kill new projects. 1. Starting fast, thinking slow. New PMs rush into tasks before understanding the goal, scope, and constraints. They start working before knowing where they're going. Speed without clarity equals chaos. Better. First ask, what are we trying to achieve, and why? 2. Treating everything as urgent. They confuse urgent with important, which leads to constant firefighting and zero real progress. Better. Use priority filters: impact versus effort. Learn to say, not now. 3. No scope control, scope creep nightmare. They accept every new feature, every idea, every request, and end up managing a monster, not a project. Better. Define scope early. Anything new? Let's evaluate impact first. 4. Avoiding difficult conversations. New PMs fear saying no, fear conflicts, and try to keep everyone happy. But avoiding conflict creates bigger conflict later. Better. Clear and honest communication is leadership, not aggression. If you don't protect the project, nobody will. 5. Ignoring risk management. Beginner PMs think risks equals bad news. They don't want to talk about them. Result: when risks hit right pointing arrow, they become issues. Better. Great PMs hunt risks early and plan countermeasures. Risk register equals your shield. 6. Trying to do everything alone. New PMs think, I must control everything, or I'm not useful. This leads to burnout plus bad decisions plus slow progress. Better. A project is a team sport. Delegate work, keep responsibility. 7. Overloading meetings. Death by meetings. Too many meetings equals signal of PM insecurity. If meetings keep growing, productivity will slowly die. Better. Every meeting must have purpose, agenda, outcome. If not, cancel it. 8. Ignoring stakeholders. They focus on tasks but forget people. Stakeholders feel ignored. Right pointing arrow resistance builds right pointing arrow progress stops. Better. Stakeholder management is not extra work, it is project management. 9. Confusing tools with PM skills. They learn Jira, Trello, MS Project, and think they understand project management. Tools don't make a PM, decisions do. Better. Learn judgment, communication, prioritization, risk thinking. Tools should support your mind, not replace it. 10. No closure. Project ends without learnings. New PMs finish the project and just move on. No lessons learned, no retrospective, no growth. Better. After every project, what worked? What failed? What will we improve next time? That's how you evolve from PM right pointing arrow leader. Genius level summary. Beginners think project management is about control. Experts know it's about clarity. The difference is maturity. Call to action. Want to grow from beginner PM right pointing arrow strategic PM? Follow us.